Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go airplane mode not working. So let's get started. So right now I am currently in airplane mode. As you can see, no internet connection, but I can still roll my dice right here, and then as you can see I'm getting squares. As you can see, I got shield. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you on how I did this. So first of all, what you need to do is let's first open our Wi-Fi so that we could connect to the internet, because we would need to go into the App Store, or if you're in Android you need to go to the Play Store, and you simply need to update your app, because on the latest version this would work right here. And then from here you want to go make sure that your Monopoly Go app is currently updated. So yeah, once you have done that, then you can go and try it out in Monopoly Go, and you can see that it already works. But if it still doesn't work for you, then it might be for this reason that Monopoly Go has finally fixed this, and it doesn't allow you anymore to do this one right here. So you would need internet connection, or you could try and reinstalling Monopoly Go. So just simply delete the app and install it again in your app store. If you're an Android device, all you have to do is clear the cache. If it's not working, then clear the data, and then launch the app, and then you can see that it should be working. So that is basically it on how you can do it here in Monopoly Go. Thank you for watching.